Google Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL all leak in live hands-on images. Last month, some hands-on images leaked showing the upcoming Google Pixel 9 Pro, and today, the same source is back with more. Not only does the Pixel 9 Pro star in these leaked hands-on images, but it's joined by the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL too. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to stay updated and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. In case you're surprised, note that the Pixel 9 Pro XL name hasn't been confirmed yet, but Google is going to launch 3 high-end slab-style devices this year, which we're tentatively calling the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL. The Pixel 9 will be the successor to the Pixel 8. The Pixel 9 Pro XL will be the successor to the Pixel 8 Pro, while the Pixel 9 Pro will be a phone with similar specs to the XL, but Pixel 9 sized. The Pixel 9 prototype shown here has 12 gigabytes of RAM, while the other two sport 16 gigabytes. Storage is 128 gigabytes for all. These numbers may change once we're talking about mass production units. What probably won't change are the screen sizes. The Pixel 9's is 6.24. The Pixel 9 Pro's 6.34 won't fly, and the Pixel 9 XL 6.73. Size-wise, the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro are identical, but the difference in the screen is down to the 9 sporting much larger bezels. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pro XL have 350MP cameras on the back. The Pixel 9, unsurprisingly, has a main camera and an ultra-wide, while the other two both add a periscope telephoto as well for 5x optical zoom. All 3 devices are powered by Google's Tensor G4 SoC, and while the Pro support UWB, the vanilla model does not. As you can see in the leaked images, the new design of the Pixel 9 family loses the edge-to-edge visor look on the rear for the camera island and makes the frame fully flat. As we wrap up our deep dive into the world of Google's latest offerings, it's clear that the future of smartphones is here, and it's spelled Pixel. With the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL, Google continues to push the boundaries of what's possible, offering us a glimpse into a future where technology and innovation go hand in hand. From their impressive specs to their sleek design, these devices are more than just smartphones. They're a testament to Google's commitment to delivering top-notch quality and performance. So whether you're a tech enthusiast or just someone looking for their next smartphone, keep an eye out for these devices. They're set to redefine the smartphone experience. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, the future is Pixel. Peace out.